Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have another amazing jewelry item from Jeulia Jewelry. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Jeulia Jewelry just sent me another amazing jewelry item to review. So thank you so much, Jeulia Jewelry, for sending me another piece to review. I greatly do appreciate it. I love their jewelry. I tell you guys that every time, and I say it several times during every single video. I just love their jewelry. I will link down below this specific item if you would like to check this one out. I will also link their entire website if you want to just check out all of the amazing things that they do have to offer. And they do have my code down below, which is SheCrafty15. That'll save you 15% off your entire order. They have rings, bracelets, necklaces, earrings, watches. They have so many beautiful items, so definitely check them out. It will be linked down below. So let's go ahead and get in and see which item that I chose this time. It always does come in this box. It does have a mailer bag that I remove, and this is down inside of the mailer bag. Their box is always so compact, and the way that they have it in here is really neat. So when you first open it up, there will be some product information on top. There is this card that says, "Stop what you doing," because I'm about to ruin. It says stop. So if you get a ring and you do choose the size, you need to make sure that it fits you first before removing the tag. If you remove the tag, you cannot return it or exchange it. So make sure that it fits 100% before you start removing the tag off of it. So that's what this says right here. And then there is some product information with all like their new catalog that goes over all different new things that they have to offer, which again, all of their jewelry is just so gorgeous. They have so many different things. I will also show you things from their website as well, like I always do. And then at the end of the video, I do have a video of theirs that I put in if you want to see a little bit more about how they construct the jewelry items and how it's all made pretty much. So there's that. Then they do give you a gift bag, and in the gift bag there is a note card and there is a cleaning cloth. So here is a greeting card if it is for a gift, and then down in here is the cleaning cloth. Ooh, there's a blue one this time. It's always been pink, so I love that there's a blue one now. So here's the cleaning cloth that's always down inside of this little envelope here. So if you purchase anything for a gift, then all you do is you grab the item right here, which again, it's just a perfect design for their box. And then you plop it back down inside the gift bag, fill out your card, and you can give it to whoever it goes to if you want to put in a little bit of tissue paper or just leave it just like this. They have you covered for a gift. If this is for yourself and you're spoiling yourself, then good for you. You don't need to know about the bag. You want to know what's inside here. So here's the box. It always gives you a really nice box if you want to keep them in for storage. And then when you open it up, there's the item right there. So this is the item that I chose this time, you guys. It is a ring, and it does have some stars on it, and that is just gorgeous. So here is the tag right here. That is the tag that does say not returnable if this tag is removed. Now, I do get this for review, so even if I tell them the wrong size, that's all on me. I always remove the tag if it works for me or not, because that's on me. But if you do buy anything from their site, make sure you check it first before you remove it. So they do have their ring sizes going anywhere from size 3 to 15 and all half sizes in between. So I was able to get a big size for my first finger, my pointer finger. And I think that looks really, really pretty like that, because this is theirs. This is my 3-piece set that I got sometime last year. This is my own ring, and then there's theirs. This is theirs right here too. This is the butterfly one that I got a few boxes back. I absolutely love this. So every day I wear this one from them and this one from them. And now I'm going to add that one because, oh, that's so pretty. And I love stars in general, sun, moon, stars, that kind of thing. I love, so I really, really like that it has stars on there, you guys. So there is the ring that I chose. I think it is gorgeous. It fits my finger perfectly. It's not gonna fall off, but it's a perfect size. So if you want to know a little bit more about Jeulia Jewelry, I'm gonna let you know a little thing or two right about now. So again, they have, if you're gonna choose a ring, the ring sizes range from 3 to 15 and all half sizes in between. You can use SheCrafty 15 for 15% off. The Jeulia stone is an excellent alternative to a natural gemstone because it's more scratch resistant for everyday wear. Unlike natural gemstones that are mined from the earth using large machinery, explosives, and unsafe working conditions, the Jeulia stone was developed to be more durable with better optical characteristics than of a diamond while maintaining an ethical standard to protect our environment. They have a little chart on their website which shows Jeulia stone versus a mined diamond. Looks like a diamond? Check, check. Durable? Check, check. Hardness is a 9 for a Jeulia stone and a 10 for a mined diamond. Density is 5.70 for a Jeulia and a 3.52 for a mined diamond. 100% ethically sourced is only for Jeulia. Potential harmful mining is only for a mined diamond, and you save so much money. It's like a fraction of the cost with a Jeulia jewelry item. So all of the material on all of their jewelry is all 925 sterling silver. Measuring an impressive 9 out of possible 10 on the scale of mineral hardness, with proper care and cleaning, your Jeulia stone can be treasured for a lifetime. Our proprietary stone is hand cut and fastened in-house to shine brilliantly and provide a beautiful sparkle with bright, vibrant color. It can also be created in colorless form, which we use on our jewelry to stimulate the amazing fire and brilliance of a natural diamond. We are confident that you will not find a better alternative in the market that shares the same quality and affordability as our Jeulia stone. Our commitment is to avoid putting more strain on our natural resources with providing gemstones that are 100% traceable. The white colored stone. The diamond white Jeulia stone is the same brilliance and durability as a natural diamond, but at a fraction of the cost. For centuries, diamonds have been adorned by women and men and was regarded as a symbol of eternal love. Today, diamonds are still the most precious and valuable stone in the world. Diamonds are associated with celebrities and royalties alike. Now, Jeulia Jewelry does have 30-day returns, free standard shipping over $99 or more. They have a 1-year warranty. Again, everything is 925 sterling silver. They have flexible financing and secure shopping. So definitely, if you'd like to check them out, everything will be linked below. You can check out all of their amazing jewelry. SheCrafty 15 will get you 15% off their already affordable, great prices. Now, if you do want to see a little video, again, about Jeulia and how they kind of put their things together and how they take so much pride in their stones and their workmanship on all of their pieces, here you go.
My name is Laura, and I'm one of the head designers for Jeulia Jewelry. Jewelry is not just something you wear, it's something you feel. It's not just a fashion statement, it's a way of life. Jeulia Jewelry has the ability to not only personalize a look, but also to evoke emotion and create memories. This is the very mentality of Jeulia Jewelry, and we create beautiful premium artisanal jewelry that express, that reflect who you are and what you stand for. Pieces that you won't only wear to ceremonies and parties, but that you'll want to wear throughout your everyday life. Our dream is to make you feel an emotional connection to our jewelry, which is why each of our personalized designs are 100% handcrafted to offer you what you love from our heart to your heart. Everything we offer is made in-house, so we know that craftsmanship like this comes from caring hands and not from an assembly line, to ensure that the end product is a beautiful representation of the woman wearing it. Inspiration is a finicky concept because it comes from one's perception of this reality, and so therefore you can open a book, a fairy tale book in your workplace and be inspired, and other times you walk around and you see random items and they push you to create the most beautiful jewelry. I would say in the end, making jewelry is almost dreamlike because it allows you to tap into your emotional feelings, which is precious. Yes, Jeulia, I love me.
Okay, you guys, so there is a video that came directly from Jeulia's website. I love watching that. I watch it several times. Even when I'm editing, I keep watching it just because I love the video. I love how they take so much care into every single piece that they actually design and they curate by hand in their own workshop. So I really love that. I never take my rings off except at night because my man says I scratch him. But in the shower, everything, when I wash dishes, cooking, everything, my rings are always on. I have never had any issues or problems with any of the jewelry that I have received from them. Everything still looks bright and shiny and just beautiful as day one. And I've never had any issues. Nothing's fallen out, nothing has turned, nothing has nothing. It's just same beautiful quality as the first day that I received them. And I tell you guys every time that Jeulia Jewelry is the only jewelry company that I will be bringing on my channel like this, because I do stand by their products. I wear them proudly every single day. I have had no issues whatsoever. They look just as gorgeous as day one. And I definitely can say 100% I back this company and their products because I wear them every single day. So there you go. If you have purchased anything from Jeulia, let me know down below how you're loving it. Hopefully just as much as I am. And yeah, so that is everything that I have for you. That's what I have to show you. My beautiful ring. Thank you again so much, Jeulia Jewelry, for sending that to me. Now I'm just adding another jewelry piece to my daily wear. And it's slowly but surely I'm taking off like ones that I've bought before. And I'm only putting on Jeulia Jewelry. That tells you something. I love their jewelry. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the ring that I chose this time? Isn't this just so me? But it's so beautiful. I love it. So that is everything, you guys. Again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.